It gives me great pleasure to stand before you today as we commission Collector Road CN2 from Arterial Road N16 to Arterial Road N20, including ILS 5 within Katempe district. The importance of this road cannot be overstated. It links Katempe and Mabushi districts and connects them to major road networks. It cuts through homes, markets, and businesses. It eases the daily struggle of our people. No more hours lost in gridlock. No more dust in the dry season. No more mud when it rains. My fellow residents of Abuja, as you can see, we did not stop at the road. We installed solar street lights, and today Katempe is safer at night. Abuja city life is coming back. Criminal hideouts are disappearing. That is what good governance delivers: security, mobility, and dignity. At this point, I must specially recognize the Honorable Minister of the FCT, His Excellency Barrister Wike. When I gave him the assignment to make Abuja a true capital, I knew his track record. And Barrister Wike, you have not disappointed Nigerians. From abandoned roads to new boulevards, from water projects to judicial quarters, you work day and night. You do not give excuses, you give results. The people of the FCT call you Mr. Project for a reason. Well done. Indeed, this road is a testimony to the renewed hope agenda. Nigeria is working again. The economy we made was gloomy. Today you see transformation. A road like CN2 is more than concrete. It is hope. It tells every Nigerian that government can deliver. It tells our youth, some of whom are shouting over there, that this country belongs to them. To the people of Katempe and Mabushi districts, thank you for your patience under construction. Thank you for believing in us. Hope is not a slogan. It is this road. It is the light on your street. It is the time you now save. But government cannot do it alone. To sustain this, I ask all residents to pay their taxes, clear your ground rents, support your community, and protect this infrastructure. Do not turn the walkways into markets. Do not vandalize the street lights. If you see destruction, report it. This road is yours. Guard it for your children. And I believe Senator Philip Tenimo Aduda is listening. On this note, and to the glory of Almighty God, it is my singular honor and privilege on behalf of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu GCFR to commission Collector Road CN2, Emmanuel Ogala Boulevard, from Arterial Road N16 to Arterial Road N20, including ILS 5, to the service of the people of the FCT and the Federal Republic of Nigeria. May this road bring prosperity, safety, and unity. Thank you, and God bless the Federal Republic of Nigeria.